today's how-to video, we will show you how to mount and install a speed potentiometer or speed pot on a Control Techniques M700 AC drive. To begin, first locate the tab on the operator that will help index the speed pot on the panel so that there is proper orientation. Use the mounting collar to secure the operator onto the panel. Next, you will need a screwdriver to connect the speed pot wiring. First, connect the minus terminal to the back of the operator with the other end located in terminal 11 on the drive. Next, connect the wiper wire. The wiper is the term for the center connection of the speed pot itself that will increase or decrease the amount of resistance between two terminals around a carbon resistor. On the drive, this wire is located in terminal 7. And finally, connect the 10-volt output wire with the other end located in terminal 4 on the drive. With all three wires securely connected, you have now successfully installed a speed potentiometer on a Control Techniques M700 drive. Visit Galco.com to browse dozens of speed pot operators from trusted brands like ABB, Eaton, Lovato, and many more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.